know, what are you looking for? That's the formula. The question is, what do you know and what you're looking for? Okay, so I know the angle, I know the adjacent, I'm looking for the opposite. So now, what formula do I use? So, because these are the two letters that I have, right? O and A. So, tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. So tan of 32 equals to, I don't know what the opposite is, you can leave it as opposite or put it as x, divided by 6. What's tan 32? 0.624. Now, what do you do to solve for x? Multiply, right? Because you want to bring the 6 over here to leave x by itself. It's a division right now. To bring it over, it becomes a multiplication. Okay? So that's 0.6248 times 6. What do you get? And that is in centimeters. 1 decimal place. Sides always to 1 decimal. Should be multiplying. Okay? You're going to have to multiply. Now, the next one. So, my angle here, this is the opposite, that means this is the adjacent. So I'm looking for the adjacent, I know the hypotenuse. So which formula do I use? Cap. So cosine. Cosine angle A over angle theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. So that's going to be cosine 45 equals to x over 8. Are we okay with that? Now what do I do to find x? Multiply. So what find cosine 45? What's cosine 45? And then now you're going to multiply the 8 by the 0.7. 6 what? If you're looking for the denominator, so let's say if I had x, if I knew x and I didn't know this, then you have to divide. Right? Anytime you're looking for the denominator, that's when you divide. All right. Now, what if I give you 2 sides and I want you to find the angle? Okay? So, trig ratios can also be used to calculate an angle of a right triangle if 2 sides are known. Okay? So if I know 2 sides and I'm looking for the angle, now because I'm looking for an angle, we have to use the inverse, which is the sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Let's look at the example. So same idea. First thing first, you're going to have to label your triangle according to the angle of interest. This is my angle of interest, theta. That's what I'm looking for. Okay? Because this is angle theta and this is what I'm looking for, this is my opposite, and this is the adjacent. Okay? Opposite and adjacent. So which one do I use? Which SOHCAHTOA do I use? Tan. Because to what? Okay? Do you want to guys just watch what I'm doing and then you can write it? So, opposite and adjacent, that means I have to use tan. So tan theta equals to opposite over adjacent. Anyone have any questions about this? Now, I know the opposite, I know the adjacent. So I have to plug the opposite and the adjacent in. So you see here, I don't know what the angle is. I need to find that thing. So what I have to do, you can, if you want, find what 4 divided by 2 is. Okay? First. And now for me to isolate for that theta, this is where the inverse comes in. Because you're going to have to bring the tan over. When you bring it over, it becomes an inverse of that. So this is, because you're looking for theta, you're going to bring the tan over, and that's going to be tan inverse of 2. So do tan inverse of 2 for me. 63.4. So that's 63 degrees. Right? So that means angle theta is 63 degrees.
I didn't clean because some bread fish are here, so the students eating. After 12:30 I clean.
Okay, thank you. Do you guys understand that? So, pick the formula you're going to use, write it down, fill in the information. Because you're looking for an angle, you're going to have to bring that tan, sine, or cosine over as an inverse.